Hey editors, welcome back. Let me show you how to create smooth, slow motions in Premiere Pro. To get started, move your timeline slider to where you want to start the slow motion effect. Then hold Ctrl and push K to make a cut in your video. Now right-click the second video and select Speed/Duration. You could also use the Ctrl-R keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings. By default, speed will be set to 100. If we decrease this value, we will be slowing the video down. Change the speed to 40%. If we give this a preview, you'll see that we've successfully slowed the video down, but it does not look smooth. It looks kind of choppy, so I'll show you a really simple way to fix this. Once again, select the second clip and press Ctrl-R, and this time in the pop-up window, change the time interpolation drop-down to optical flow. Now doing this will probably give you a red timeline bar, so you'll want to select your slowdown clip and press the Enter key on your keyboard to render it. Now when you play this back, it looks smooth even in slow motion. Keep in mind that this doesn't always work perfectly, especially if you lower the speed too much. As you can see, slowing down your clip too much can create some distortion, so you may need to play around a bit to find a happy medium. I hope you enjoyed and found it valuable. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more editing adventures. Wishing you all the best, and see you in the next video.